It's insulation day. Putting some insulation in. So I just thought I'd get a little bit of footage and show you what I'm doing. Follow me. As long as it's billowy and it traps air. That's the first bit. Okay. Yeah, look. It's actually not really itchy. It's like the newer version of the. It's an eco one. It's a newer version. It's not so itchy. But I had loads of it knocking about, so I didn't want to go out and buy more. You know, that really soft stuff. So yeah, it does the job. And it's nice and it's like billowy, which is how you've got to keep it to get the best insulation. Right, let's crack on. Onwards and upwards. The problem with this one is the wall starts to taper in. So when I start to put the battening on there for the walls, the 50mm Kingspan is going to stick out further than the wall. So I want this to stick in as much as possible, like that. So I've had to cut it around, I've had to cut this around that middle beam, and I'll stick a load of expanded foam in there as well. Needs a bit more trimming up on the top corner. I reckon, actually, I think that's it. That's about there, actually. And now it's come to being flush here, which is excellent. And then that's going to have a 25mm. So that should be 50mm. And I'm going to have to put a 25mm bit in there. And all round the gaps I'll fill with the expanding foam, which will end up probably with the same thermal properties as this anyway. That's my theory anyway. I've cut them. Let's crack on. Building site. Insulation. Get in there. At last, the Deadmats arrived, the second lot. What a bloody time. That delivery company, UK Mail, absolutely useless. But the company I bought it from, Sound Deadening Shop, on eBay, they're really helpful, really helpful with any problems you might have. So we'll crack on with this, get this open, and get it rolled out. Start cutting, start sticking. Happy days. Right, I've got my specialist with me again today. What are you doing, Paula?
I am creating a soundproof environment.
Expert, look at that. Done that before, haven't you?
Yeah. Done it on a couple of the van conversions I've done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did they turn out?
Oh, really good, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, still on the road.